Hello, my name is Maria Lourdes Aló, and in this video I'm going to talk about the history of the prosthesis. Well, the earliest example of the prosthesis ever discovered is not a leg, it's not an arm, or even a fake eye. It's a toe. A big toe belonging to a noble woman was found in Egypt and lived between the 950 to the 710 BCE. This port was particularly important to Egyptian because it was necessary to wear the traditional Egyptian sandals. To show how little prosthetic limbs have advanced through the most of the history, consider the artificial hands and legs of the Dark Ages. To show how little prosthetic limbs have advanced through most of the story, consider the artificial hands and legs of the Dark Ages. Armored knights of this era often relied on iron prosthetic limbs. These were admittedly not very functional and were used more for the purpose of hiding the lost limb, which was considered at the time to be embarrassing deformity. Ambrose Paré was the first to develop an above-knee prosthetic with an adjustable harness and a hinged knee with the leg control, both of which are still used today. Around 1690, a Dutch surgeon, Peter Verjoen, later developed a lower leg prosthesis with the specialized hinges and leather cuff for improved attachment to the body. Amazingly, many of these advances contributed by these two doctors are still common features of modern-day prosthetics device. With the invent of gaseous anesthesia in the 1840s, doctors could perform longer, more meticulous amputation surgeries, allowing them to operate on the limb stump in such a way as to prepare it for interfacing with a prosthesis. Advances in sterile germ-free surgeries also improved in the success rate of the amputation procedures, increasing the need for the prosthetic limbs. As artificial limbs become more common, advances in areas such as joint technology and suction-based attachment methods continued to advance the field of prosthetics. Thanks to the passion of the prosthetic pioneers, today we're closer than ever to replicating the full function of a biological limb. Thank you.